The Tiger Raised by Sheep, a powerful Indian story of identity and personal growth. Entrepreneurs are innovative, bright-eyed, big-picture folks with a passion that takes more than a little rain to put out. As a business owner, you're the kind of person who wants to make a difference. The Tiger Raised by Sheep parable. There once was a tiger who came upon a flock of sheep. Just as he was getting ready to pounce, he noticed a little tiger cub peeking out from between a couple of the sheep. Confused, the tiger cocked his head at the cub and tried again. The tiger became even more determined, and he found the sheep again and completed his hunt. When he brought the meat back to the cub, the little guy wouldn't take a bite. Finally, the tiger picked the cub up by the scruff of his neck and took him over to a stream. "Look," the tiger said. "If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. You don't look like those sheep." Finally, the cub tried a bite of meat, the first one he'd ever had. When he opened his mouth, instead of "bah," out came a cub-sized, but still impressive little roar. While sheep food had kept him going from day to day, he'd really needed tiger food, truth, to reach his full potential. Entrepreneurs, tiger cubs living among sheep. Have you grown up eating grass and living as a sheep? You're providing opportunities. There's a roar inside of you, and it's just waiting to be let out. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.to/3vj8v7.